Hello guys, in this video I will actually show you is OpenAI API is really free or paid, because many videos on YouTube is claiming that this API is unlimited and it is free. Let me show you inside this video the reality of this OpenAI API. So OpenAI, as you all know, it's a really popular company which created ChatGPT, and so once you simply type this on Google, their API platform official page will come right here, and right here you click on start building. So you will be redirected to their API dashboard right here. So this is the official address, platform.openai.com, and you can simply sign up using your Google account. It is totally free to create an account. So after you create this account right here, you will actually see these are all the APIs you will get access to: GPT-5, GPT 5.4, all their official APIs. And now, whether this API is free or paid, I just need to tell you that this API is not free. It was earlier free whenever it was released 5 years ago, but at this moment of time, when I am recording this video, it is not free. You need to add credits. After you sign up, you need to click on add credits, and then you add your verify your payment method, and you click on add payment details. So you can see credit is 0. So you do need to add some credits so that you can actually call the API. So right here you will add your credit card information and then click on continue. After that you can call their API. And for creating the API key, it's very simple. After you add some credits, you go to the API key section right here, and for creating the this is a new way by which you create a new secret key. API keys was legacy. Now it has been replaced by project API keys. So it has been discontinued, and now you click on a secret key and you select your project and click on create secret key. So once you do that, then it gives you this secret key. Then you simply go to any provider. Let's suppose in VS Code we are using this extension CLIN, which is a really popular extension for calling different APIs. It's a coding agent. So simply install this extension after you created that secret key, and go to settings, and from here you select the API provider, which is OpenAI. So after selecting the OpenAI, right here you paste this secret key that you got, and then you select your model right here, whichever model you want to call. So all these models come inside this API: GPT 5.2, 5.1, Codex. So select your model, and after that click on the done button. That's all. And then you send out a message. So if you have some credits, then this API request will be successful. If you don't have any kind of API request, this is not a free API. I just want to tell you on this video. Many fake videos are there in YouTube claiming that it's an unlimited API, free API. So you will get this message that 4 to 9 you exceeded your current quota. Please check your plan and billing details. So this simply means that you don't have sufficient credits and quota. So for this you do need to purchase some credits. So this is the reality of this API. It is not a free API at this moment of time. You do need to add some credits. After that you can call this API and their methods. So definitely try this if you like this API. I have tried this. It's really awesome API, but it is not a free API. All these models, flagship models, comes inside this API, which is GPT-5, which is their newly advanced model for programming coding. These are all the cost pricing which are given right here. Input the cost for million tokens, output